So I got a new car and I found there is a problem. And the problem is people just don't see you, like this guy. So I decided to fix it. You see, I had a problem with cheap LEDs in the past. So this time I decided to go a different route. I present to you KilaKila LEDs. So while you're enjoying the B-roll, let's take a look at the specs. First of all, it's solidly constructed. I'm really impressed by the quality. Each light has two quad LEDs. Color temperature is about 6000 Kelvin, pure white. They draw about 30 watts each, producing 5000 lumens. There's an aluminum body with a fan. Got IP67 water protection, 50,000 hours of lifespan. And the best thing is, it's got an amazing warranty. Within 2 years, you can return it, no questions asked. However, before installation, I wanted to establish a baseline. So let's take a look at the original halogens. Alright, so these are the original lights. These are halogens that came with the car, and they illuminate everything fine. The color of the light is a little yellowish, but it's what you expect from halogen light bulb. Take a look at the pattern against the wall. You see those bright hot spots? So when you drive, they illuminate fine right ahead of you, but there is almost no peripheral illumination. And that's what I'm looking for. So now let's see how many lux we get from halogens. This is about 10 feet from the wall. So here I go and measure lux number. Lux is the same as 1 lumen per square meter. Why lux? Because lumens can only be measured in a lab. 1144. Alright, now we're about 20 feet from the wall. Let's see what the lux number is now. Alright, let's say it's 240 at 20 feet. Alright, so now I decided to do some science and install one LED. I'm going to install LED on this side by replacing the original halogen bulb, this one. And at the same time I'm going to keep the other one as original halogen to do some comparison. So what you do is you unplug the cable, remove the light, and install the new light. Now the moment of truth. Very cool, very cool. Some cars might have a problem with the CAN bus and or flickering of the LED light. I could not find an issue with flickering or CAN bus. Here I was searching for an error code, but I could not find any. Everything was fine. Alright, boys and girls, I'm going to turn on my headlights. The left one is LED and the right one is regular halogen. So I'm going to drive home. It's going to take about 40 minutes, and then we'll measure the temperature that these headlights produce and the difference between LEDs and halogens. Alright, let's go. Alright, I just drove for 30 minutes with one LED and one halogen. Let's see how hot they got. So the LED is about 65 degrees, 66. Now the halogen, 290, 270. So yeah, the LED, thanks to the active cooling, is much colder. Yeah, about 60 degrees. That's impressive. One or two is the max. The halogen is 166 degrees, 183 degrees, 187. Alright, so When driving, these lights are pretty bright. I appreciate the peripheral illumination. They provide a little better illumination than the original halogen lights. Again, these are the originals. These are halogens that came with the car. And these are the LEDs. Yeah, these lights look cool. Just look at the reflection in the truck ahead of us. Alright, let's check the lux on these lights. As you can see, there are weird artifacts on the top of the cutoff line. When you drive, you don't notice them. You only notice them when you're against the wall. Alright, we're now about 10 feet away from the wall. And man, these lights are bright. The camera adjusts to the lighting. Alright, let's check the lux on these lights. So 722 is the max that I got. Now let's check at 20 feet. We're now about 20-25 feet, exactly the same distance as with halogens that we've tested yesterday. All right, now let's see what the number is. All right, so the maximum that I got is 173.8 lux. All right, here's what I think. While LEDs don't give you the bright hot spot like halogens do, LEDs actually illuminate much wider, giving you a better peripheral illumination, meaning that you'll be able to see on the sides of the road much better, and also the people will see you better because LEDs shine brighter when viewed from the side. So if you decide to upgrade, it's up to you, but I gave you all the information you might need.
I'm gonna be great. I'm gonna take off
What
this
the
mask.